count with me! I am so excited to start our lesson today, and I know we are going to have a great time learning all about numbers together.
One little shoe on the floor, two tiny taps at the door, three bright knocks, then more.